everyone, it is Couponing with D and I am back with another video. Welcome. If this is your first time here, welcome back if you are part of the family. If you guys saw my video yesterday, I told you guys I had a 7 for 70 and there were some items that I was going to pick up. These are the items that I picked up. 2 Colgates were $7.98. Each Febreze is $3.94. The Tide was $12.99. 1 Huggies was $13.49 and the second Huggies was $6.75. The 2 Love Beauty and Planets for $7.79. My total before any coupons or anything was like $72.37, I think. I'll pop it up on the screen. So I used the following coupons. I had the BOGO coupon for the Love Beauty and Planet. That was $7.79 it took off. I had a $1.50 manufacturer coupon for one of the packs of Huggies. I had a digital $3.30 for the Febreze, A $3 digital come off for one of the toothpaste and another $3 digital to come off for the second toothpaste. I had a $3 digital for the Tide detergent. I had a $2 digital for the other bag of Huggies. I had a 7 off of 70. I used $25.55 worth of extra bucks, and then for whatever reason the cashier must have hit apply to the 30% coupon. It only took off 75 cents. If you use extra bucks, your percentage coupons get reduced down because the extra bucks are considered coupons and it's after your coupons have applied. So the subtotal was $14.42. I paid that good old 8% tax in Georgia, $5.05 for a total of $19.57. I paid that, and then I got back $30 in extra bucks. I got $5 when I spent $20 on the P&G products. I got $10 when I spent $20 on Huggies. I got $10 for the Love Beauty and Planet when you spend $15. And then for purchasing the 2 Colgate, I got 5 extra bucks. This is all I have for you all today. I will see you on my next video, which is public. See you on the next one. Bye.